Remove.bg is the easiest and most popular tool for background removal. However, the free version doesn't allow HD downloads. Previously, using temp emails to create multiple accounts worked, but that trick no longer works. But don't worry, I'm here to show you a new way to get HD images from Remove.bg for free. The idea is simple. We just need the outline of the image. First, download the background removed image from Remove.bg. Then resize it to match the original image. Next, place the background removed image on top of the original one and trace its outline. Once we have the outline, we can delete the resized image and use the photo editor to cut out the subject from the background of the original image. To do this, I'll use Adobe Photoshop, but you can easily do it on your smartphone using PixArt, Photo Layers, or any of these 5 apps. First, go to Remove.bg and upload or drag and drop a photo. Within a couple of seconds, the background will be removed. Simply download the free smaller version from the available option. Now, open Adobe Photoshop or any of the photo editors I mentioned earlier. Open both images, the original and the background removed one. You'll notice that the background removed image is much smaller than the original. We need to resize it to match the original image. To do this, first, check the size of the original image by going to Image, Image Size in Photoshop. Here, you'll see the dimensions, let's say 1920 by 1200 pixels. Keep these numbers in mind and close the window. Now, switch to the background removed image. Go to Image, Image Size, and set the width to 1920 pixels. The height will adjust automatically. Press OK, and now both images will have the same size. Since both images are now identical, I'll mark the background removed image with a red dot to help distinguish it. Drag this image onto the original image and align it perfectly so that they overlap seamlessly. Now, you'll see that the background removed image is on layer 1, while the original image remains as the background layer. We need to trace the outline of layer 1. To do this, press Ctrl, Command on Mac, and click on the thumbnail of layer 1. And you'll see the outline appearing. Now that we have the outline, we no longer need layer 1, so click the eye icon to hide it. Next, select the background layer since we'll be working on it now. Press Ctrl plus J, and this will create a new layer containing only the outline portion of the original image. This new layer will be named Layer 2. As our final cutout image is now on Layer 2, simply hide the background layer by clicking its eye icon. Now you'll see the full HD image with the background removed. To save the image, go to File, Save As, select PNG as the format, click Save, and then press OK. That's it. Now you have a high-resolution background removed image using this simple trick. If you're new to photo editing, it might feel a bit confusing at first. But after editing a couple of images, you'll get used to it. And if you miss your ex and want to make your dream come true, check out this video where you can create kissing and hugging AI videos for free.